Step 1. Unpacking and checking. Open the packing box, then take out the power case and accessories. Check the accessory to see that if there is missing item or any distortion or impaired during transportation. Step 2. Installation tools. The power case installation requires the following tools. Step 3. Mounting. Install the L stand onto the cabinet. Note: please do not lock the screws too tightly at the first time. Use the fixed L stand as a template to mark the position of the hole on the wall. Drill holes with a 10-bit driller carefully. Make sure the holes are deep enough, at least 45 millimeters, for install, and tighten the expansion tubes. Install the expansion tubes into the holes. Fix the cabinet on the wall. Tighten the screws of the L stand. Step 4. Electrical connections. Inner wire connections. Use the key in the accessory bag to unlock and open the cabinet door. Remove the baffle inside the cabinet. Put the batteries into the cabinet. Remark: when the battery has been put into the cabinet, you need to push the battery to the left side of the cabinet. Install back the baffle. Plug the communication cable into the RS485/CANS port of the battery. Plug the battery cables into the battery power port. The color of positive cable is red, while the negative cable is black. Connect battery 1 and battery 2 with parallel cables. The color of positive cable is red, and the negative cable is black. Install the communication cable between battery 1 and battery 2. Install the inner ground cables. The inner ground cables have been installed. Set the ADD switch of the main battery to 1, battery 1. Set the slave battery to 2, battery 2. Turn on the switch of each battery module. Close and lock the cabinet door. Outer wire connection. Plug the power cable into the battery port of power case. Install the communication cable to COM port of power case. Install the other side of the cable to the port of the inverter. Open the cover of the inverter. Connect the power cable to the battery port of the inverter. Connect the communication cable to the BMS port of the inverter. Install back the cover of the inverter. Install the outer ground cable. Make the earth cable. Use the crimping pliers to strip off 7 mm of insulation from the PE wire end. Put the pin contact with striped cable into the corresponding crimping pliers and crimp the contact. Connect the ground cable to the grounding point of the power case. There are 2 grounding points. The user can choose any one of them to connect this cable. Step 5. Operation of power case. Turn on the breaker. Turn on the on/off button of the inverter. The inverter finally enters into the normal working state after the counting down. The power case has been installed successfully and working normally.